So today we are going to look into 3 steps to draw a perfect waveform. Most of us, we find it very difficult when it comes to 3-phase waveform when we want to draw it. So today I'm going to be putting us through that, and I'll be using a drawing pen so it looks real. So the first step is to draw the guidelines and go back. I should use a bolder line. And this is the base. Okay, so I will draw 2 extra lines above. They will be the guides, right? You see how we use them. Okay, so in your book you already have these lines, right? So you do not necessarily need to draw the 4 lines. So the next step is to draw triangles. For this I will use a different color, so it's different. Okay, so I'm going to draw triangles starting from this point. Oh, sorry, let me change the width. Okay. There might be some imperfections, just that because I'm using a drawing pen on my phone, which is quite different from when you have your pen and your paper. Good. So that's the second step. The third step is to connect these triangles with arcs, right? So what I would advise is that I'll first draw the first one. So when you see how I would join it to this other line, or I can start from here even and join it here. So I'm joining it to the other line so it looks original, right? So from this now, we'll start from this line here, this one here. Start from there. I'm going to start from this. And join it to this. So for this one, I'm going to start from here and join it to this. Come back. Anyways, you get what I'm trying to say. For this, I'll just overlook the imperfections. For this also, I'm going to start from this line here, right here. You can see how perfect that is. Just start from here. So I'm just going to connect all the lines with arcs. Cool. For this one, I'm going to connect it here like this. While this first line here, it goes here like this. So this is a 3-phase waveform. And you can see how neat this can get neater as you practice and when you're using your book and pen. Thank you.